Hi everyone, welcome to Reboot and Rise with MLR. When I meet beginners who are learning programming languages, I keep hear this over and over from many people that programming is tough or I just don't get coding, it's too complicated. If you ever felt this way, remember you are not alone. There are so many people struggling with learning programming language, thinking it's something can be done only by intelligent or genius. But what if I told you that learning programming language is easier than learning communication language like Spanish or Telugu or English, Tamil, etc. You heard it right. Think about this for a moment, where we're going to learn new language like English or Spanish, Telugu or Tamil, etc. Where do we start? We start with the letters and start with words. Of course, thousands of words we need to learn and memorize, and grammar rules. There is a complex grammar rules in each language, and we need to learn about proper pronunciation and sentence structure. So there are thousands of things that we need to learn, but yet we don't say, oh, I can't learn English or Spanish, right? We just learn step by step. But programming, it's actually much simpler. Think that we want to learn a language like Java or Python or JavaScript or SQL, where we don't have any alphabetical or letters to learn. We just have a words, very tiny set of words. Very tiny set of words, I can say. Example, if you take Java, around 50 words, Python, around 35 words, and simple grammars, like there are some few simple rules that you need to learn. That's it. Once you understand these words and simple rules, you can start coding and build amazing things, right? If programming is not about memorizing thousands of things like communication language, what does it actually takes to learn, right? It's not about IQ or prior experience. What really matters is the right mindset you need to have. What does it mean? You need to have a learning agility. That is, you should have a ability to pick up the new concepts quickly, and common sense, understand how things work logically. Then finally, you need to have a determination. So you always should have staying consistent and pushing through challenges. If you have these three, you can become a great programmer, no matter where you start, right? So all you need to, once again, I'll repeat, all you need to have is understand the words in that language, whichever the language you are going to learn, like Java, Python, whichever language, and understand where do you need to use those words with those simple rules that we have. You can become a very good programmer. I can say great programmer. I hope it is clear and understand, right? I wish you all the very best. Keep learning, keep coding. Thank you. I'll see you in the next videos.